College life is exciting, but managing money can be a nightmare. Here are 5 powerful budgeting tips every college student should know in 2025.
Use apps like Mint or YNAB to track every dollar you spend. Awareness is everything.
Split your money. 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% savings. Simple but powerful.
Review all subscriptions and cancel what you don't use. It adds up fast. Cooking at home saves a fortune. Meal prep is the new student hack.
Start saving just $10 a week. Emergency funds protect you from surprise expenses.
Small money habits today lead to big financial wins tomorrow. Start now.